So this video is going to be a quick lunch, cannellini beans. Let's go make it. These are going to be the vegetables that I'm going to use for this soup. I got organic carrots, organic garlic, organic onion, and organic tomato. So this is going to be the basic vegetable soup. I am going to add this bone broth instead of water. This is going to be one of the extra things that I'm going to add to my soup. So I'm going to season the soup with garlic, sea salt, pepper, vegeta. So first things first, olive oil. Butter. Here goes the butter. Now you're going to add the onions. You're going to sweat them real good, about 3 minutes. Now we added the tomatoes. Just going to work that in. Now you're going to add the carrots. Work that in. Make sure you're mixing everything so it gets an even cook. Now you got the garlic in there. Mix that up as well. Now that everything is looking beautiful cooking, at this point you can add meat to this. I'm not going to do it today because I eat too much meat as is. I'm trying to balance my diet a little bit. So I'm going to keep this vegetarian for the most part. But if you were going to add meat, you can add meat right now. And now we're going to spice it up with paprika. This is the main thing that goes into this dish. Now work that in. Make sure you work that paprika in. See how it's nice and beautiful now? It gives it color. Look at that. Color, flavor, everything. Look how nice that is. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to add some bone broth right there. I'm going to bring that to a boil. Alright, now that my vegetables, it's boiling, it's cooking real good, I'm going to add cannellini beans and rest of my bone broth. Beautiful. Bring that up to boil. Alright, my soup is doing great. So this is the last thing I'm going to add to it, and I'm just going to let it cook. Looks real good. I'm going to slow cook this for about, half hour, 45 minutes. Here it is, kids. Woo, look at that. Steaming, piping hot. beautiful cannellini bean soup, organic vegetables. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Doesn't get any better than that. Look at that. Healthy, good for you. I eat this with my trusted sourdough bread from my local bakery. Thank you guys for tuning into Parks and Pizza. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.